Discipline is the difference between a life you dream of and a life you settle for. You want freedom? You want success? You want peace of mind? Then stop waiting for motivation. Start building discipline. Let's be honest. Most people are controlled by comfort, by laziness, by excuses wrapped in fancy words like self-care and I deserve a break. You say you want to change, but you keep pressing snooze. You say you want results, but you scroll for hours, procrastinating your potential. Discipline is what separates the warriors from the watchers, the doers from the dreamers. Discipline isn't about being harsh. It's about being free. When you master discipline, you don't rely on the world to push you. You pull yourself. You rise, even when you're tired. You keep going, even when no one's watching. You train your mind to do what's right, especially when it's hard. Think of discipline as a blade that cuts through weakness, doubt, distraction. You don't sharpen it once. You sharpen it daily. Every time you say no to comfort, every time you do what needs to be done, you sharpen the blade. Here's the truth. Motivation is a spark. Discipline is the fire that never goes out. You build discipline by showing up every day, especially the days you don't want to. Get up early, train your body, fuel your mind, finish your list, repeat. Not because it's easy, but because you refuse to live a life beneath your potential. Success doesn't belong to the smartest, not to the fastest, not to the luckiest. Success belongs to the most disciplined, the ones who show up tired, who show up scared, but still show up. So what are you going to do? Keep waiting? Keep hoping that someday you'll feel like it? Or are you going to take control of your life, starting now? Because let me be crystal clear. Discipline will hurt. It will test you. It will break the version of you that's holding you back. But on the other side of that pain is power, freedom, control, and the life you were meant to live. So remember this. Discipline is not a punishment. It's a gift you give to your future. The more disciplined you are, the fewer regrets you carry. So get up, lock in, and become unstoppable.